Hey guys, episode 46 of the Crypto Portfolio series. So down about 26,000 on the week. So it's a little bit rough. This is putting a rosy picture on it, to be honest. If we look at the weekly graph, it did go beyond my 346 last week, up to about 355. And then as you see, sort of bit of a spike low, but yeah, certainly under 300,000. So fairly big drop. Unfortunately, the news can only really be Elon Musk and Tesla. Does seem that they do move the market a little, even though obviously they don't exactly have a huge effect on it. They sort of own less than 0.1% of the Bitcoin supply, I think. And was anybody really going to be buying a Tesla with Bitcoin? I think this just sort of flags up a lot of shade for the industry amongst the wider world. Basically, all the headlines that will come about as a result of this. Still seems a little bit strange. Obviously, they use a lot of emissions making their cars, and some people have even been sort of posting pictures of Teslas plugged into superchargers that are powered by coal. So yeah, they're not exactly whiter than white, but yeah, they've had the little ride with Dogecoin and even the new Shiba Inu token and Bitcoin. So I do think possibly some other important news was, even though it's only rumours, but there was supposedly an SEC executive who's sort of been mentioning volatility and manipulation over the last few days. So if that sort of is hinting towards rejection of the Bitcoin ETFs, then that wouldn't be that good news, obviously. That would be a fairly big hit. A lot of people were sort of saying if they accepted one, they would probably accept all of them. So you'd think maybe if they're going to reject one, they would reject all of them, because there wouldn't be a lot of, if you're going to say volatility and manipulation, difficult to sort of say you could accept one from Fidelity and not one from Vanek. So yeah, if they all get rejected, then obviously that would be fairly bad news, and I would say has a far bigger effect than Tesla and Elon Musk. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, not a horrendous week really. So Bitcoin sort of has had the most effect on this drop, down 16%. It's not too bad though on the long term. It's still sort of, look on the 3 the 3 month doesn't work on Blockfolio, and graphs do seem to be a little bit off at the moment on Blockfolio, but yeah, we've been sort of up and down in this sort of range really. So just waiting for something more to happen. Ethereum been sort of holding up pretty well. Did sort of go to all-time high during the week, but has come back down. So it is still slightly above where I sold some Ethereum, sort of 2,620. Bit unfortunate, but yeah, didn't expect that. Cardano is the big mover of the week, 37% nearly. Yeah, doing really well. Just sort of lots of small sort of bullish developments. No massive news from what I've seen, but again, it was sort of in an up and down range for quite a while, and yeah, now starting to break out. So if it goes much higher, sort of maybe towards £2, I guess, I'll probably be selling small amount, maybe 3,000, just to take a little bit of profit, and would kind of like to sort of buy the dip on some of the stocks that have been falling. So yeah, probably do that. Litecoin, yeah, down 10%, a little bit better than Bitcoin, so not too bad. XLM, pretty good, 29%. yeah, so this is sort of second place to Cardano, but again, doing pretty well. OMG, 16%, pretty much mirroring Bitcoin. XRP, pretty flat for the week, doing pretty well. EOS, 6%, sort of seems to be doing its own thing at the moment. Tron, down 10%, not really too bad, sort of doing a little better than Bitcoin, really. Basic attention token, pretty much down the same as Bitcoin. Dash, slightly better, similar to Tron, really, 10-11% down. Power Ledger, the charts on Power Ledger are a little bit strange, but yeah, 4% down, so that's not too bad. And then the little penny stocks aren't exactly doing a great deal. And I did go speculating again just this morning, actually. So I put £750 into Coinbase Pro and bought Anchor, Band, and New Cipher. So these are all on Coinbase Pro and Coinbase. Seem to have a sort of potential for adoption and potential upside. They're all sort of in the 100 to 200 sort of rankings, so a bit higher than Quantstamp and Cocos. They were in the sort of 600 range, but thought I'd get a couple on Coinbase Pro. Haven't done a huge amount of research, I must admit, but just sort of thought a bit of speculation while we're in the dump. So yeah, that's the portfolio for the week. Leave your thoughts in the comments below and like and subscribe. See you soon.